When playing in current temperatures, it eventually slows down. Just an hour. Only takes 1 hour, oh. Go over there and hit a few rounds. Right. Very important. This is like that wordless help of yours. It's like iron hitting iron, damaged in the same way, like a kite. Right. The battleground in Hainan has arrived. Onlookers watch the show, experts watch the door. The pipeline change is a bit messy. We'll gradually test its functionality. When we arrived, we purchased all the tools immediately, including those acquired by the boss. Wow, they gave me a driver, really cool. This one is the foot valve for foot soaking. Modified it to make the oil flow back and split into 2 feedback routes. The 2 feedback split into separate rivers like this. Will it be successful? I should have found the answer through my pressure testing. Come on, friends. If we approach the blasting machine in this way. 18. If we gather enough small change, the river won't be a complete river. Okay, let's install it now, connected like this. No use. Previously, the 1 and 1.2 route were reconnected, all restored to the original. The feedback pipeline here also restored to the original. Let's try again. Shrink it a bit. Switch to the color-like machine below 10. Also switch to below 10. 230. I'll be there at 2:30. He came in guns blazing. I come from. Just say it when the time comes. He can't handle around 20. Now we started at 2:30 in the afternoon. Just keep going. Yes, now. Yes indeed. Little egg. None. Older sister, all of you. Yes, no need to order anymore.